खुलुमबायख्या जत ताखकते बुखुक संनो ताई लामसगो आनि अ चेनेल जों तिनिनि जब नटिफिकेशन नायलायनाय त्रिपुरा मेडिकल कलेज आगरतलानि हयते अबंखा बरंनि वेबसाइट नरक बरंनि वेबसाइट थांगै विजिट खायनाय मानो बंनि अ वेबसाइट न कायसा ऑप्शन दंगो नरक जब नटिफिकेशन ने नरक नायमानाय नायदि अजा कायसा ऑप्शन दंगो न्यूज अजागो न जोंनुगै मानो रिक्रुटमेंट नटिफिकेशन कमा टीएमसी हने और क्लिक खायदि क्लिक खायमाने पुरा जों नटिफिकेशन नायलायने नायदि और ताम सिजाक application are invited for the following post under Tripura Medical College and Dr. Biram Teaching Hospital, Hapania, Agartala, for a period of 1 year which may be extended by the authority. Pula post nibumungka professor, bonabaga total vacancy ka 3 numbers. Then department design 1 each for TB and chest, radiology and anesthesiology department. Eligibility criterion ka as per guideline of Medical Council of India. Tai aging ka not exceeding 58 years. Tai pay scale rezagnai 1,09,540 plus special allowance ka 12,500, HRA 2,500, CA 500 plus other allowance as admissible. Tai je candidate above 58 years born bagin ka fixed pay nai 1,26,830. Next post nibumungka associate professor, total vacancy tongo 7 numbers. Tai department design 1 for orthopedics, 1 for ophthalmology, 1 for radiology, 2 for anesthesiology and 2 for pathology. Tai eligibility criteria same tashina haino as per guideline of Medical Council of India. Tai borne bage salary ka pay scale 1,06,080 rupees plus special allowance 10,000, HRA 2,500, tai CA 500 plus other allowance as admissible. Oro sijak aging not exceeding 55 years. Tai jara above 55 years borne bage fixed pay rejanai 98,010. Next post nibumungka assistant professor borne bage 6 numbers vacancy. Department rejanai 1 for TB and chest, 2 for obst and gyno and 3 for anesthesiology department. Tashine haino eligibility criteria orongka salary rejanai pay scale 59,960 rupees plus special allowance 8,000 plus HRA 2,200 plus CA 500 plus other allowance as admissible. O jaga angkai age ingka not exceeding 50 years. Tai jara above 50 years ni bagi ingke fixed pay rejanai 63,420. Next post nibumungka tutor MD, total vacancy ka 10. Department janai 1 for physiology, 2 for pathology, 2 for microbiology, 2 for biochemistry, 1 for forensic medicine and toxicology, 1 for anatomy and 1 for community medicine department. Same eligibility criteria bonibagai salary inka pay scale 44,200 plus special allowance 4,000 plus HRA 2,200 plus CA 500 plus other allowance as admissible. tai agingka not exceeding 45 years. Next, post ni bomongka senior resident doctor. Total vacancy ka 6 numbers. The department ka 1 for TB and chest, 1 for pediatrics, 1 for psychiatry, 1 for radiology, and 2 for general surgery department. Same eligibility criteria. The salary ka pay scale 44,200 plus special allowance 4,000 plus HRA 2,200 plus CF 500 plus other allowance as admissible. The aging ka not exceeding 45 years. Next post nibomongka junior resident doctor. Boni bagai total vacancy ka 15 numbers. Abongka department for different department bagai. Tai boni bagai eligibility criterion ka MBBS degree from any MCI recognized medical college. Boni bagai age na nangnai not exceeding 35 years. Tai salary ka 46,120 fixed on contractual basis. Obong boni notification ar norok apply khainyan hingai tamu khainai norok online apply khaimano boni online khainani website ka www.tmc.nic.in hai akeba norok jodi online khainamu singakai by post ponorok khaimano boni bagi last date ka 14 August 2020 at 4 PM. No, along with tamre nangnai biodata and attested photocopies of all certificates, testimonials, age, address proof, qualification, etc. Ashok no tini ni bagai obono boni job notification tongmani norok jodi eligible hengka ba nongni friend ba nongni kebo sinijak tonghage ba norok o video no share khaji jate borok obono apply khai manthong tai belekana hambai je ani o video nane rongno tai ang kojo nongno ani o video no norok subscribe khaidi like khaji share khaji te comments khaji tapok di belekana hambai khulumbai kya.